Good evening, everyone. Today, we are very privileged to have a very young entrepreneur, 22 years old, a college dropout, who started his company, which is a private limited buns. And his inspiration is not only inspiring me, but a lot of people who are working on sustainability. Today, we have Sakshi, a young change maker who's working with Sustain and Save, value adding in terms of content, design, strategy. I would love Sakshi to interview another young entrepreneur so that we learn and listen from them. Thank you. Sakshi, to you.
So focus for next 7 days will be use of bamboo products, and so we're happy to collaborate with Hans. We welcome Chandan sir. Okay, so my first question is, what inspired you to start this initiative?
See, there is a lot of pollution on the earth which is growing day by day. Actually, mostly in plastic, and we are cutting trees also uh, to make wood products and just like that. So, wood was never been an option to accomplish a big industry as a replacement to plastic. So, actually, when I was working in Bamboo Research and Training Center, I got the opportunity uh, to explain myself as a bamboo entrepreneur. So I choose bamboo to replace plastic products such as daily use products and gifting purpose items, as well as furniture, interior, exterior, most of it. But right now we are step by step working in all these fields. Right now we are working handicrafts and interior, exterior only. So one by one we will get into another fields also. But the thing is, bamboo can replace all the plastic products day by day. But the thing is, our challenge is कि bamboo has expensive properties right now. Means its products are getting too much costly for mediocre and mid-range of people. So we are planning to make it cost effective for everyone, so that we can grow our economy in not only in India but as well as in another foreign countries also. So
Amazing.
inspiration is
Yeah.
only bamboo, as we can say.
Yeah. Thank you. That was a quick introduction. Sakshi, do you want to further ask on?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so what are the products you've been selling so far, and what is the price range of these products?
We can selling products from such as photo frames, usables, such as we have developed few innovative ideas just like kitchen come mobile stand, you can see on our website banswithnature.in. And another, now we are going to launch 100% eco-friendly product on 1st of June. You will be able to see on our website when it gets launched. It is first time in India that someone is launching a 100% eco-friendly product with maintaining its attractiveness and stylish looks. That mostly we are having a function in India. We celebrate it mostly as a combination of brother and sister. So I hope you get it, and you can see its beauty and benefits when we launch it. And we have price range from nearly 50 rupees at start, and it goes larger up to more than 5,000, so and so forth. As we have we made dhal talwar as well as a bamboo cannon, so they cost more than 5,000. So you can get from 50 rupees to more than 5,000, 10,000 depending on products. Furniture
Wow.
goes higher. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Chandan. That was amazing. We're very excited to know about your first June launch, and we hope we can promote your video on that day so that you can tell us more about the product. And we'd be happy to collaborate with such a young entrepreneur at Sustain and Save, and launch it and make and actually help you sell it as well. We would love to collaborate. Thank you. Yes, Sakshi, go ahead.
So, why do you think the price range of bamboo products is comparatively high?
Okay, see, right now the cost of bamboo is too high. Means, as we considered India as respected to China, China has top economy as in bamboo, but India has production of bamboo in second number worldwide. But we don't sell any products related to bamboo as much of that. Means we are not counted in bamboo economy. Okay, so the cost of bamboo is preferably main thing, and we process bamboo to make it strong, so as we can use it for long time. Means for more than 2 to 3 years or 15 to 20, 30 years, like that. And mainly cost doesn't matter. So as you can say, a plastic product can last for 5 years, so bamboo will last more than 50 years. So this is the difference between plastic product and bamboo product. And bamboo products tensile strength is higher than steel and concrete also. This is not known by the market or the people. So we are ready to spread awareness regarding bamboo product, so it is much sustainable and more long lasting. And uh, as per energy science, plastic reduces our energy when we use it, but bamboo as a natural material is, it increases our energy as of use, as of normal. This feng shui and all these people say is vastu shastra and all, these also matters there.
Wow, Chandan, at such a young age, you're giving us so much technical knowledge about being tensile, about how bamboo is so much more better, stronger than other this. I think your domain knowledge is also very nice. So, a quick question: are you guys manufacturing yourself, or you'll outsource it and market it? So, how do you do you manufacture all the products in house?
Yes, we manufacture our products in house, and we have the best master artisans in the bamboo field.
And how many such people are working with you? Are your team members?
Mhm. Actually, we all are 11 members team right now, but
Lovely.
at the end of this year, we are planning to expand after launching this project. We are of one
I
team.
am so excited. This is so inspiring. Thank you. Sakshi, any more questions?
Yes, the most important and interesting question: how do you integrate sustainability from these products?
Okay, sustainability. See, bamboo is one of the highest sustainable products, as you can see, on earth. Okay, it's means it is top highest growing plant on the earth. It is noted in Guinness Book of Records also. So sustainability is in its blood, you can say. So as per bamboo products, it lasts longer, more than 15 to 20 years. And when we process it, it depends. Such as if we are using it in our homes or in our daily use, means if we are keeping something that we eat, then its process is different. And if we are using it like a means home decorative, so its process is different. It depends on various type of use, but it is mostly sustainable. Than, as I said, it is stronger than steel and concrete, so it is highly sustainable than any of the plastic and wood products in the market.
Okay, thank you, Sakshi. I'm going to ask him a quick rapid fire question. Okay, who is your
Yes,
role
ma'am,
model
sure.
in life?
Hello.
Who's your role model? Can you take the name of
uh,
a role model?
yeah, role model means there are a lot of people who inspire me, such as if one mother is struggling for his son, she's also an inspiration for me. But
Wow.
basically in business, there are two persons, Ratan Tata sir and Dhirubhai Ambani sir, who has developed their business from zero. So
Amazing.
means
Great.
they
Second
are mostly
question. In one line, talk mentions like speak about sustainability. Like talk about sustainability in one line.
sustainability means which cannot harm the nature and which lasts longer. That's it for me.
Beautiful. Third question is, what do you see yourself in 10 years? at 22 right now? How do you see yourself and the company in 10 years?
Actually, my dream is to become the world's first trillionaire and to grow our India from developing country to developed country. That's my dream.
Lovely. I would want to conclude this. So, we are talking about be local, be vocal. Today, we have with us one of our very young entrepreneur who has given us his journey of making India proud. So, let's all buy from brands, motivate and inspire such young entrepreneurs so that we can all make this world more circular, more sustainable, and have a circular economy. Thank you. Thank you so much, both of you all, to have you on board.
हॅलो, माझं नाव आहे चंदन कस्तुरवार, फाउंडर अँड सीईओ बान्स विथ नेचर प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड. मी तुम्हाला एवढीच गोष्ट सांगू इच्छितो की सध्याच्या काळात आपण टाइम वेस्ट करण्यापेक्षा जास्तीत जास्त वेळ आपण कोणत्या गोष्टीत फोकस करू शकतो, चांगली कोणती गोष्ट करू शकतो त्याच्यावर फोकस करून त्याच्यामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त 100% देण्याचा प्रयत्न केला तर आपण कोणत्याही बिझनेस मध्ये चांगल्या प्रकारे ग्रो करू शकतो. आणि आता लॉकडाऊनचा पिरियड असल्यामुळे खूप साऱ्या अपॉर्च्युनिटीज खाली आल्या आहेत तर खूप साऱ्या वर पण आलेल्या आहेत. तर त्याच्याकडे तुम्ही बघू शकता की तुम्ही कोणत्या अपॉर्च्युनिटी मध्ये बेस्ट फिट बसता. थँक्यू.